Oh, hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 106. Being recorded mostly live. Well, actually, this is 100% live, July 7th, 2026. I'm your host, Chris, and today we're going to be continuing on migrating my blog from basically a WordPress site to a Hugo site hosted on Cloudflare. If everything goes according to plan, we basically make it a static site. And the reason for that is just to save a couple dollars, because right now I'm hosted on a paid WordPress site. And I really like, we recently, for the weekly dev chat, which I guess I can throw up here, weekly dev chat. For this site, this was also hosted on WordPress on a paid site there, and another fellow on the team for the weekly dev chat team migrated it to GitHub and made it the static site. And yeah, it works really well. It saves a couple bucks, and I really like it. So we're gonna try and do the same, but this time instead of doing a GitHub page, just try something on Cloudflare. I've been kind of experimenting with moving and hosting some stuff on there, so hopefully that goes well. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. So as always, if you have any questions or anything, you can send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com. You can leave questions below. You can leave a comment. Oh, I should probably put a thing in there. Do my best to answer them. All right. So yeah, or if you're, I don't know, I doubt anyone's going to watch this live, but if you do, you can feel free to throw questions in the chat and I'll try and answer them there. So, all right. So hopefully you watched the previous video. If you have, we're pretty much at the same spot we were last time. I got the blog. I pulled my blog off of the WordPress site in here. So I used a tool to do that. It generated this XML. I created this Hugo site and got everything working in development. So if I run it here, right, like this is, I'll just refresh this. Like this is the site here. Excuse me. So it all seems to be there. Oh, supports dark and light themes, this thing. Oh, excuse me. And we just picked a default, I don't know about a default one, but we picked one of the Hugo themes. So today I think I got to pick a different one. I don't really like that one. Pick a different one and we'll do some cleanup, and then we'll see if we can't get it to a build. We'll set it up in Cloudflare. I don't know. I don't have a hard cutoff this day, but I'll try to work on this just for an hour or two, just so this video is not ridiculously long. But so yeah, we'll see how that goes. So so yeah, it's all working. Happy. I think last video I did some cleanup and I actually compressed the images, so I have the scripts that we use actually in the weekly dev chat thing. So I gotta put the script in like a common thing, but it just runs through and compresses all the scripts, turns them into WP format. This optimizes a single image. This optimizes all the images. So that was one change. I guess it wasn't in the video. So if you go look at are they all images? Are there? Oh, this is the paper mod thing. Oh, excuse me. Content pages. Yeah, so now these are all WebP format images and stuff. So if you go look at the posts. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Oh, how did I organize this? Just through year. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay, so the date's in here. So in 1 month, I have them both in there. Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, so all the images are there. So that was something I didn't record last time. So, and everything, I committed everything to Git. Oh, have I pushed it? I don't think I pushed any of my changes. Maybe I should do that. Actually, one thing I want to make sure is, let's bring up, and oh yeah, I can do I do Fable until I run out of credits? Sure. Is there anything I shouldn't have? I push it to me. Actually, first thing I should do, I don't have an agents file. Let's create one of those. Please create an agents.md file. And then I don't want it to so there was a study that said is this it? Yeah, I think this is it. I thought they had a HTML version. Oh, sorry, I didn't bring this. Oh, dang it. Kind of hate how Visual Studio just like hides your text you're trying to show there. So I think this was a study. They used to have, I don't want the, I thought they had a HTML version. This is new, independent. Huh. Huh, okay. Yeah, they used to have an HTML version that I could just send. Okay, what is PDF? Okay, I guess I got rid of the HTML one. Don't agents.md file too big. Just include items you or other coding agents might miss. See this study for more details about what should be in an agent's. All right, so we'll see what it creates, and then yeah, I used to just use like Claude or whatever to create the agents file, but now I still use it to create like the base one, and then I'll edit it, usually manually when it forgets things. So, oh yes. Oh no, what happened? Did I click the right one? Hopefully I clicked okay. What are you trying to do here? I was just reading a bunch of things. Yes, you can do your thing in there. Oh man, it's doing a lot of thinking. And then, okay, well, it's thinking. So we can't. I created this plan a while ago using where's the word wrap? There we go. I think I used Claude to create this plan. So we're here. We're set up Hugo locally. Yeah, we have the GitHub repo. So we'll have to set up a GitHub action or something to deploy. Okay, so what does it want for the agents here? Yes. Okay, so yeah, use Docker Compose. Yeah, this is often things I have to tell the agent, which is good to put it in here because I like to use Docker for things, just so I don't pollute my host machine with all sorts of tools and libraries. But oftentimes it'll try to run things locally without Docker, so oh, I wonder if there should be a Git submodule. All right, I don't want my links to break. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks pretty reasonable. Okay, so let's just, we'll just commit that. Oh, and I need I don't think Claude, maybe it does now, but it didn't before. Like, it won't read an agents file by default, so you have to link to it like this. Agents. Okay, done. Okay. Now let's clear this. Is there anything I should not include in Git? This repo I haven't yet. Just double check to make sure. Because I think I asked this before, and that's when it get. Yeah, it's really interesting how it's really figured out all these agents have figured out all these command lines to run. Yeah, like it's just, oh, I think there's this new shell or something that when I click on it. Oops, sorry, did I clicked no? I didn't mean to. That's like how the computer would view all the files instead of like human eyeballs. That's really interesting. Okay, let's see what it said here. No secrets. That's good. Yep, good. Uncommitted readme.edit. Oh yeah, maybe I should get rid of the drafts. Oh. Oh, I missed one apparently. Okay, let's try. Let's try running that again. Oh yeah, I don't know. It's always, I don't know why it always, yeah, like it always wants to rerun, get a new shell or something. But okay, so let's just get rid of that one. All right, let's see if it'll. Did it find it? Maybe there's a bug in the script. Oh, it's animated. That's why we left it. It's animated. Okay. Because most of the GIFs, when they got converted to WebP, were bigger. I don't know about that one JPEG, but who cares? Good enough for now. Now, there's a question. Should I include the themes as a sub module or commit it? Yeah, it keeps talking about sub modules, so maybe that's what I should be doing for Hugo. Yeah, okay. Okay, well now I'm kind of curious. Hugo blog themes. What is the way they recommend doing this? I don't know. Hugo's still pretty new. I hope I made a good choice. Including themes and get. Hugo modules. Okay. Oh, okay. This shows a module with. Okay. Hugo mod get. Oh, okay. Well, I still need to go programming language, I think, too. Oh, okay, okay. Let's do that then. So, okay. Hugo, mod get paper. Okay, sorry, I gotta. Paper mod is our theme. Oops, I don't know what that. Oh, okay, there it is. So I think I just put the Git and the GitHub repo in there. So I don't think I need this. I think it just wants this. Oh, do I not have? Oh, what is my doc? It has a Hugo. I thought Hugo required Go though. Okay, go mod file not found in current directory. Yeah, github.com. Oh, this is my repo, which is get the URL here. Okay, so now we have this go mod. Great. Oops. Ugh, what happened there? Where's my terminal? Okay. Now can I do this? Okay. And now I should, let's see, if I just delete permanently. Do I have to change my build? Hugo. Oh, got an error now. Added as a Hugo module. Oh, okay. Do I need to theme paper mod? Do I have to call it Hugo paper mod? It's probably what we need, eh? Hugo paper mod? That's my guess. Nope. Not found in source themes Hugo paper mod. Either add it as a Hugo module. Let's see. Okay, let's see if Cloud. I'm trying to install the paper mod as a module instead of including source and git. This is failing. The error. The module name is Hugo paper mod isn't a resolvable module path. Okay. Oh, we got to put the whole thingy in there. Okay. The whole namespace. Okay. Oh, it's smart enough to update. Okay, that was going to be the next thing, was to update the agents. Table does seem to run a lot more, but oh, it's trying to run. Oh, do I have it still running? No. Okay. Oh, it's trying to run it, which is good. Oh, sometimes if I don't like this, when it runs it, it's like, oh, just fix it. Let me run it and see what happens. Maybe I can manually fix it. Oh, it looks like it's stuck in a loop. Okay, whatever. Let's yeah, so it seemed to work. I don't know what the heck it was doing there. So now if I go, oh wait, we don't need that anymore. Okay, if I go local host 1313. Yeah, there we go. Looks like it works. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm happy with that. We got the build. Let's see. Compose run. Build. Yeah, looks like it builds just fine. So, there's a couple errors. Maybe I'll have to go and fix. Oh, there's a bunch of errors. Okay, I'll have to go through and fix some of those maybe. All right. So that's good. Cool. Okay, so I just have to remember to require the whole thing. Oh, right. How do I just want to run the. Because I think it runs. How does this work again? I think this thing runs Hugo by default. Okay, well, that's all good for now. Let's just. I'm happy it works. Let's just leave it for now. Okay. Okay, I guess we can. Oh, it's a whole bunch of changes. Why? Oh, it's the paper mod. Okay, right. Okay, so move the paper mod to a module. Now, do I just squish these? Because now I have all those. gonna just squish these in here. I have to figure out how to squish. Okay. I don't know. It's probably not that big. How big is the Hugo theme? How badly do I not want it? Paper mod theme. How badly do I not want it in? Is there a bunch of images? No, it looks not too bad. Oh, there's images. Just two. Okay, I think we're okay. All right. So let's just, whatever. Worst case, I recreate the repo later. Okay, done. So let's go on. Let's just get this public. Like, let's find a new theme, I guess. Let's find this is working actually. Let's just publish it as is to Cloudflare, I think, and then I can find a new theme later. So I think that would be a minor thing. So, I do need to. Oops, I forgot to log into Cloudflare beforehand. So, give me a minute. Okay, now I don't know what I should show on this for Cloudflare. Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to go, let's go look at the next part of the plan. Close all. Okay, and then word wrap. Okay, so we got the repo, connect your GitHub repo. Do I want to do every push to main? Like that's what we have for the weekly dev chat. Other sites and stuff, like I would just do, like I would do it on a release or something, like whenever I created a tag or something, but I don't want to create a tag for every blog. So yeah, I think I will do it for every push. So let's do that. Yeah, let's get this connected and set up, and then because I already noticed there's a post or two missing that I have to migrate over. So the longer I wait, the longer it's going to have to be. So okay. Set the build command, public Cloudflare build. Okay, so I don't know how that would work. So I'm assuming I need to create a static site or something in Cloudflare. Okay, well, let's see. Let's do this clear. Please provide more details on phase 4 in the plan.txt file. What do I need to set up in Cloudflare? I have the GitHub repo set up. Okay. Do I need to, can I show, this is the only problem with doing it live. I don't know if I'll do these anymore live, but can I show this stuff? Domains. Oh, even of course everything has an API. So there's got to be a way. Dashboards. domain, observe, build. Oh, my client errors went up. Okay, I guess, I don't know. I guess it's okay to show. Right, or like, does that? Okay, let's see what this says. And two settings people get wrong. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. We can change that. The dev server already rides this. Oh, okay. Oh, look at me go, I guess, or Cloud go. Cloudflare dashboard. Workers and pages. Okay, maybe I'll search workers. Oh, there it is. Workers and pages. Oh, it's under build. Okay. So I guess, okay. Sure, whatever. Okay, so show here. So I'm on workers and pages. Create pages tab, authorize Git, pick a repo. You can get access to just this repo, not your whole account. That's what I want to do. Oh, okay. I'll have to remember because this Hugo looks like work in progress. Hugo modules need go. Paper mod is fetched, so the build machine needs to go toolchain. Cloudflare's current build image includes go. Okay. Is there? Do I want to build it with a GitHub action or push it with a GitHub? Let's see. What would be involved if I wanted to push to Cloudflare in a GitHub action? Either manually or when a PR is merged. It's kind of nice. It would give me a little more control. And then I could build it. I could maybe build, because I have the Docker and stuff here, I could build it, package up all the stack files, and just push them. No wrangler.toml. Okay. Okay, so let's see what it says here. Straight question first. What does that mean? If the built-in does what you need, don't do this. The same result with 0 YAML to maintain. GitHub actually advise you 3 things: integrate doesn't, a manage deploy button, gating to deploy another CS steps. That might be nice. And not granting Cloudflare access to GitHub. None of those matter. Skip it. If you do want it, here's everything involved. Create the pages project as a direct upload, not get connected. Okay. Yeah, of course, I'll need the API token. That's fine. Okay, that's great. So I'll need my tokens. Oh, I'm gonna have to be careful with that. I don't show if I do this. Yeah, so I could do it manually. Fire when a PR merges. Great. This should be version 6. think 6 or I think they're up to 7 now. Actually, I think 7 was just released. So install Hugo. Wrangler, Cloudflare Wrangler action. Can I use the Docker Compose to build the site in the GitHub Actions? That's what I'd like to do. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Again, Docker Compose run, build. So that, yeah, that would dump it in the public folder, I guess. Okay, speed. Pulls the Hugo image. 20 to 40 seconds for a blog deploy. That's noise. Don't add image caching for it. Oh. I find these deploys, at least, I haven't done as much testing on GitHub, but GitLab, like not self-hosted, but their software as a service version, if you cache the images, it was actually slower. Like it was faster to pull from GitLab's images because they themselves would cache those images locally. So it wouldn't surprise me if GitHub does the same thing. So this is probably what I would do. Okay, so let's so please create the deploy GitHub action that uses Docker Compose. Please also use the latest checkout. It is v7 and Wrangler action. Not sure what the latest version is. Okay. I wonder if I should put this in another. Okay, let's create a new branch. Feature create deploy action. Oh, okay. It's going to look up what the latest one is. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Okay. Okay. Ah, oh no, everything's stuck. Nope. Ugh, that's annoying. Hopefully that doesn't stay. Okay. So, right, I have to update that. I have to get the tokens. Okay. I really have to make sure I don't show these. So annoying. Yeah, I don't know how many more lives I'll do. Nobody watches this stuff live anyway. And okay, so that's good. Okay, so what do I need to do for... Okay, so create a pages project as a direct upload. So workers and pages. Okay, so we don't have any applications. Compute workers and pages, create an application. upload your static files. And full stack applications. Okay, I'm kind of confused. I want a static site. I don't know. Do I ask this AI? Oh, okay. Oh, you got to give the agent the coding. Okay. Just doing this off screen in case it does something stupid like show the token. Okay, didn't show the token. All right. I would like to create a static site that I can upload to. How do I do this at a later date? I don't know. What's their AI like? You can create. Okay. Oh, okay. So I do have to upload something. Okay. 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 So we have to upload something. So upload your static files. Okay. Let's do that real quick. New file. Index.html. Noise from the basement. Coming soon! Exclamation mark. Okay. So can I just drag this in here? Okay. No, maybe not. Okay, let me do this. I'm just gonna upload this file. Sorry, I don't want to show my whole folder layout here. So, oh, somebody is watching. Hello, person who's watching, if you're still watching. Feel free to ask a question in the chat and I'll do my best to answer it. Okay. What was I doing here? It's hard to keep track of so many things. More than two things. More than two things is hard for me. Repos. There's from the basement. Index.html. Okay. Uploaded. Okay, so we have this. Oh, why did it name it that? Okay. Advanced settings. Okay, whatever. Let's just deploy and just see what happens, I guess. Okay, that's a lot going on here. Oh, okay. There's my page. Wow, I kind of wish it did SaturdayMP or something like that. Is there a way to do that? Okay. Done. Okay, can I? The domain is my name. Can I organization name instead? Main is what's this? Oh, okay. Workers and pages overview. Look for your subdomain section. Oh, there it is. Okay. SaturdayMP. Continue. That's fine. SaturdayMP. Okay, update. All right, cool. Workers and pages. SaturdayMP workers.dev. Great. There we go. Domains. Yay. Okay. Oh, I don't want any of that. Let's see if it's still. Beware, something doesn't look right. Oh, they haven't created the certificate, maybe. Okay, cool. So that's up and running. I'll add a custom domain later, but that's using old software. Huh. Okay, we'll let that give that a couple minutes or two there. Okay, so we have that. Now, how do I know? So this is deploy public name. Pages deploy public project name noise for the branch main. What do I need the branch main in there? Shouldn't I maybe this thing has a branch? Why is a deploy command have a branch argument in it? Okay, how do I see what my oh, interesting. Okay, every page is project uses main. Okay, cool, interesting. So we have this. I guess we can just try and run it. Where's my project name? Deployments, findings, observability, domains, settings. Where do I find the project name in Cloudflare? The thing you name.pages.dev subdomain. Oh, okay. I should be able to rename that too. Oh, okay, okay, cool. I can rename this to. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Okay, we'll give that a minute or two to think. Time is now. I'm gonna be at this for an hour. Okay, so let's see. We got that running. That's good. I guess we could just commit this. Changes we got. Oh, I don't need index. Okay, let's push that. Yeah, sure. Let's create a pull request. Sure. All right. So myself. This is. Oh, I have to. Okay. Change that to DevOps. Sure. SaturdayMP. Okay. So now if we go look at the pull requests. Shouldn't have done. Okay. Oh yeah, how does that trigger? So if I look at oh, it's on a push to main. Okay, but I should be able to do it manually too. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. It's quite the green. Let's try a different one. Sure. There we go. Okay, can I? Is there? I think I have to merge this first before it will show up in the actions. So for now, let's change this. please update the deploy action to work on changes in the PR so I can test it. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh, it changed the branch name. Oh, can I have both? A production? Oh, interesting. Yeah, I wonder if I can have both. Oh, it pushed it. Geez, no, I don't want you to push things. Jeepers creepers. Okay. Didn't notice that. It's always kind of scary. Okay. Error. Oh, interesting. Okay. So I don't think it did anything here. Okay. Do. GitHub action failed with the following error. Please don't push changes. I will push. Do. Huh, I wonder how much. Okay, let me see. Settings, usage. Oh, it says I've only used like 4% of Fable, so that's. Oh, I'll refresh it. Yeah. Huh. I'm only on the what's $20 American, I think about $30 Canadian plan. No, I would have thought I'd used a bunch more now. Okay. All right. Okay. I like that change. I guess eventually I'll have to start. Oh, it's gonna. Yeah, I have to update these tokens here too. But let's just get this build one working. Man, one of these days, I guess I'm just gonna have to trust the trust the trust the agent to do things. But I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. So run deploy as so I can write to Hugo log file. Okay. All right. Let's see if that works. Okay, let's go actions. Doing all the extracting. Okay, that look better. And this is going to fail. Yeah, I'll install Wrangler. Yeah, like it'll fail because it can't. Yeah, so yeah, we need to set the tokens. Okay, cool. So that looks pretty good. Let me do that off screen. I don't know how to do that now. Make this window a little bigger off screen here. Okay, so I'm on here, and I bet you I have to go to like settings. No. Okay. Maybe I'll ask this AI. Where do I find the API and account tokens? My profile, API tokens. Oh, in the top right. Okay. Okay. What is the best? I guess I can show this part. Hopefully. What tokens do I need to push? Changes to the noise from the basement. SaturdayMP. Workers and pages project. Curious if it'll say the same thing that I need for this cloud, this Wrangler action. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's giving me the. Oh, okay, this is something good too. It's giving me the lowest. I find these tokens a lot of times are really like GitHub has like these new tokens that you can create, and they just list all these options that don't. I'm sure they mean something to the developers, the API people that think it's great, but like average user, I'm like, what permissions do I need? And you just end up using them all. Wrangler CLI, yeah. If you're using workers builds, yeah, I don't want to use a global API key. That's a bad idea. Okay, so let's go create this token. I'll just put this here. Put this here, and I'll do the create. Oh, I have a token. Oh, yeah, I was going to try. Okay, create a token. Token name. So specified workers is probably what I want. Okay. Search for edit policy. Specified workers. I can even filter by IP address. Interesting. Okay. Search for permission groups. I don't see. Put the following permissions. Okay, my token will be used for the noise for the basement worker. What are I need to use Wrangler CLI to push to the only be adding let's just see. Deployments, bindings. I don't think I need any more bindings. I'll have to add a domain. Traffic percentage. I don't know what that means. Is it stuck? Are you stuck? Okay. Let's ask Claude too. What are the minimum token? Oh, I think the Cloudflare API went stuck. Bond doodling. Okay. Account. Oh, I did find some things here. Okay. So I found this. That was a bunch of stuff there. Okay. One permission. Cloudflare pages edit. Scope to just your account, not all accounts. No zone permission. Pages deploys via random page only touch account level pages API. My profile API tokens create custom token. Permissions account Cloudflare pages edit. Oh, okay. this thing actually come back? There's no bindings, so the minimum token permissions are account edit, user read. Okay, so slightly different than what they're each saying, but no, I don't need to view live logs. Custom routes. Well, let's just get it working with what we have for now, and then we can update the token if need be. Okay. So the permissions I need are account. Oh, this is different than. Okay, I'm going to trust this one. Workers, scripts. Oops. Okay, so that one it needs edit. And then user details. I don't see user on here. Scope to the SaturdayMP account. That's weird. Why can't I scope it to a specific worker? Why would I don't want to do it to my entire account? Wrangler willing to deploy. Oh, okay. No permission groups found matching your search. What's going on here? Okay, I really don't understand this, how this works. So I pick this, great. And then when I go to add a policy, it does this for some reason. At least when policy is required. But I can't seem to like when I type anything in here, nothing comes up. So I don't. Okay, I guess I'm adding an entire account. Well, that seems pretty lame. Okay, so I go here. Okay, let's put this workers scripts. They can edit worker scripts. Member. User Wrangler needs to identify your user. I don't see these. I don't see these permissions, so that's not very helpful. Okay, what does this say? Scope to just my account. Account level pages API. Count Cloudflare pages edit. Include your specific account. Zone resources none. Okay, so can I just get away with this? I just have the one. Okay, I'm just super confused here. Workers scripts. Okay. Is that what this says? Okay, anyway. Okay, tokens created. Okay, so now I need to put these somewhere safe. So let me dump them into a password manager here. Sorry, you don't get to see this part. All right. Let's create a new item. Alias login password, I guess. No. Login, I guess. So it'd be do. All right. Okay. Copy that. Actually, let's see. Note identity other. Oh, okay. It does have an API credential. Okay, done. So now I need to enter these into GitHub. Action. Secrets and variables actions. There we are. So I'm on this page here. I won't show this part, but this is where you enter new secrets. So I enter like repository secrets here. And they'll be based off this name. Which I put in here. Okay, done. And then I'll add another one. This thing. Secret added. Hooray! Okay, so those are added. I can confirm this is there. All right. All right, let's see what happens. So if I run this again, okay, so you can go away. Let's just open up, let's go to this page here. Okay. So if we go to, can I build my actions? Can I run this manually now? Oh, it doesn't look like it. Dang it. I think it has to be merged or something goofy before I can manually run it, I think. Let's see. I could rerun this one. Rerun all jobs. Let's do that. And see if we get the deploy that we want. Build. Let's move this over here. See if I get another deployment that gets in here. Oh, no, got an error. Unable to get membership roles. Make sure you have permissions to read the account. User memberships read permission. Oh, maybe. Okay, I didn't think I needed that, but okay, so I didn't get another deploy. Okay, I guess I have to create another token here. Here. Profile. API tokens. Okay, so here's my token. Can I edit it? Oh, I can. Oh, okay. So edit. What do I need? Read. But I don't see the. You were logged in with the API, so with account SaturdayMP. That's great. That was a pretty helpful error message, actually. Okay, let's see if I can. Membership grants access to the account resources, account level features. Okay, let's try adding a read to that one. Okay, so I added that setting. Oh, let's try updating the token. See what happens. Okay, let's rerun this now. Deal with the name Wrangler. Wonder where they came up with that for. Nope. I thought. You're logged with an API token system account. You're. Okay. Let's see. The deploy action fails with the below error. I don't see the user memberships read permission when I create the. I'm creating the wrong type of token. Count when I create the account API token. All right, let's see. I wonder if Cloudflare recently changed their tokens. User membership. Oh yeah, I guess that that's what I would search for. That's hilarious that it searches like a human does. Oh, look at all these little emoticons. Wrangler calls the user scope memberships endpoint. Oh. Create a user token instead. Oh. Oh. Okay. So this token I should get rid of. So this, just delete that. Boom. Done. And then I need profile, API tokens. Oops, how do I? Let's see. Yeah, Wrangler. Yeah, they created those account tokens and then nothing happens. If no account ID has been provided explicitly, it's not possible to make this request. I have the account ID in there. Okay, account service versus right away to add membership permissions. So yeah, they just it just bugs me when they create permission. Like I'm sure they created all of these. When was this one actually? I should look at the date. Oh, this was last year. This is a new one. Da, 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 da. Pages deploy worked. Oh, clashing error. I don't know if this proves anything. Okay, well, let's try creating this other token. I don't like creating the token that much access, but okay, create a new token. Edit Cloudflare workers. Well, they have a template for these tokens. What does this one look like? Oh. That's fine. Okay. Count. Select. Cloudflare pages. Edit. Okay. User. Okay, here's where this member. Okay, because now I can see this membership here. There it is. Hooray! Okay, memberships. Read. User. User details. read, include SaturdayMP only, just in case I create more, I guess. Okay, so here's the token I'm creating. Okay, now I need to update this token. No, I want to edit that. Let's copy this into here. Save it. Okay. Okay, so I have that token created. Great. Now I need to go to my GitHub Actions. Okay, here. Well, it's not, except it's not showing me updating that, just in case. So settings, secrets, actions, the API token. Oh, do two-factor thingy here. Oops. Okay. And now let's go back to actions and let's try running this thing again. Wait, how do I rerun all jobs? There we go. Let's see what happens. Oh. At this, well, I don't know. It's getting almost 2 hours. We should probably call it quits here. I gotta go eat lunch. Let's see if this works. So if I go, go to workers and pages. So if I go here, or if I go here right now, oops, this one. Yeah, just that. If I look at deployments, oh, the arrow. Ah, dang it. Okay. It's workers and pages. Is this a worker or a page? I don't I don't know. Oh, it's a worker. Okay. I mean, but okay. Well, they recommend using workers instead. Okay. The deploy now fails with this error. So I'm assuming it's going to change this to sort of pages workers or something. That's looking promising. It's getting close. Just a dream. No, geez. Ugh. You're supposed to use Docker. Okay. Clear. Please update the deploy to use workers instead of pages, as this error message hints at. Oh, created this? What is this for? Workers read its config from the file. It says CLI flags. It's static assets only worker, no script, just public. Where did it put this? At the root? Oh, yeah. Oh, worker script edit. Okay. Let me go look at the token that was created. API tokens. Can I edit it? Oh, I can't. Oh, yes. So I need work. Worker scripts. Edit. Okay, so I have to the token to look like this. See if that works. Okay, so that's done. Wrangler. Jeez. So what does this look like? Build, yeah. Is it possible for the It's a bad idea, let me know. Relative paths, not the root. Okay, well, let's try leaving it there. Okay. What are you gonna say? Let's do switched. Deploy to use Cloudflare workers. Pages. All right, let's go here. I wonder if I can switch back to those other tokens. Well, this works, so I'm going to call it. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Ooh, that looks really good. Okay. Compute, workers and pages. Okay, so like, I didn't see if an error flashed by there or not. Oh, yeah, there we are. By Wrangler. Perfect. Now what does it look like? Oh. Oh, right. It deployed it as non. How do I see it now if it's not? How do I? Can I visit the? Oops. Can I visit the deploy created in a PR to see if it's working? Overview domains. Observability. You're on the free. Nope. Preview. Oh, I have to turn this preview thing on, I think. Is that what I need to do? Which I can't seem to do. Oh. Where's my other? Let's say a word. Okay. Does my pull request say? Nope. The PR checks. Oh, did it print a thing and I just missed it? It didn't print it out there. Oh, I need the preview URLs in this thing. No. This one. Compatibility date. Okay. Oh, I do need to do this too. It's not on. Okay, so it's not on by default, which is kind of unfortunate. Nothing seems to happen when I click these things. Oh. Oh, okay, there we got them both on. Hooray! Let's restrict that. Oh. Okay, well, turn that off again, I guess, and then it's funny it doesn't update on the page. All right, I'll have to change that. Such a pain in the butt. Okay. No, what? Ugh, what the heck is going on now? Okay, let's make them public for now. And let's try, okay, the other thing we gotta do is we probably have to set this to actual URL. Oh, we're so close. So close. Okay, yeah, so let's just set it for this now. Oh, okay. Run Docker compose root. Okay, so update base URL with this. Okay, please change so that I can see Okay, so workers and pages. Let's go back here. Let's just make it public. Yeah, public. Okay, so we set that up. I think I need to pay if I want to require sign in. That's what it's getting those weird messages when I tried to enable the sign in. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, what's going on? Frozen here. Done. Okay. Oh yeah, thank you for putting the S in there. Okay, does it preview URL? Please print the preview to the PR as a comment. Yeah, we'll do that. It should be good. Okay, good. All right, let's see if this works. I got two Firefoxes open. Let's merge these two together here. There we go. Actions. Oh, did it fail right away? Oh. Oh. Do I have... What is that thing trying to tell me? Nested mappings are not allowed. I don't understand what that means. What's the fix? Oh. Oh, right. Right, but it's just one line. Right. Okay, let's see if that does anything. Well, hopefully. Oh man, yeah. The longer these go, the less I talk to. Hopefully this works. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to call it pretty soon. Okay, so it pushed all these. Okay, that's great. Right. Okay, so that part worked. So now if I go to deployments, I should see another one, Wrangler. And I should see in here, does this work? Oh, dang it, I have to log in. I thought I made that public. These... Hmm. Okay, so I sent it to my email. Oh yeah, all the fails. Send login code. I didn't get one. How did I fat finger the public? So if I visit the main site, it still works, but if I try to visit the other one, just a dream. So I tried to send it to my SaturdayMP email, and I don't see it. Okay. Interesting. All right, these are public. I should be able to see it. Okay. Okay, Cloudflare workers policy, allow. Just gonna come in, yeah. And I get this weird, like, I keep getting this. But does that mean I have to pay? I don't know what this means. So, oh, try one more time and see. No, I think I'm going to give up. All right, so I sent the login code to my email. See if it'll show up. It's not in spam. It's not in inbox. Da, 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 da. Okay, well, the other thing I can try. Yes, it's public. I don't understand why. So if I go here. Oh, there we go. Okay. I don't know why I just didn't take so long. Okay, so cool. The deployment worked. I don't know what, man. This clicking these things was screwing everything up. That's cool. Oh, I gotta figure out how to show YouTube here too. Oh, that's really awesome. Okay, so cool. The deployment works. I got previews. Customize the office ribbon. So just one where I don't want a SaturdayMP show because I want something with the images to make sure they're showing up. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, talking to strangers. All right, the gift store. Okay, cool. Well, I don't know. Good enough, I guess. Man, it's lunchtime. I gotta go eat. I got other chores to do. Well, that was fun. Yeah, so there you go. This is how you will deploy the Cloudflare worker, I guess. And then you can create, this is where I think the agents are super useful, the coding agents, because it would have taken a long time for me to figure out how to do it. I probably just would have linked it up to GitHub and called it good. But this lets me do the pull requests. I do like having control of it from here. And then if I want to manually deploy it, or I can add some checks, like if there's some tests, or like it said link, make sure there's no dead links. So that's really cool. Okay, well, I'm going to wrap this up. So thank you all for watching. As always, you can send emails to ask@SaturdayMP.com. You can leave comments, like, subscribe, all the things. And yeah, I think I'm actually going to be, I won't be able to record live next week. So I'll probably pre-record something. I need to finish this off anyway. So maybe I'll pre-record something for next week. Because it's summer. We got plans. So yeah, and I just so I can finish up this blog and get it over and done with. So the migration, it's getting pretty close. Like things are working. They're showing up. I just got to pick a nicer. Oh yeah, B-sides 2023. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, so I just need to finish this blog off. So I think we're pretty close. I need to pick a new theme and double check that the production deploy actually works. But it's nice I got the preview, so if I wanted to enter a post and see what it looked like, that's pretty cool. I probably don't need this restricted. I can't figure out how that works just because I don't care. It's just a blog. I'm not gonna be doing anything crazy on there. So but yeah, again, thank you all for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope it's a nice sunny day where you are right now. And you have a great day and a great rest of your week. Take care for now.